A friend of mine and I were leaving our science lab, and we were right by my car when we started hearing this popping sound, and it was a little worrisome at first, but then we thought maybe it was just a car backfiring until one of the teachers was telling us that it was an active school shooting and we should get in our cars. And my friend, she got immediately into her car and drove off. I got in my car, and I kind of panicked and got down on in my car. I wasn't really sure what to do.
So you just got down on the floor of your car and just waited there? Is that what you're saying?
Well, at first, and I was just sitting there, and I wondered, what in the world am I supposed to do now? And I'm looking at the science building, and it came to me, none of my fellow students know what's going on, and I'm seeing this young woman leaving the science building with earbuds in her ears and looking down at her phone, texting out in the open, and I made a choice to get out of my car, and I yelled at her, the poor thing. I yelled at her, "There's a shooting, get in the building." And at that point, I knew there was no chance of me getting back into my car if, this person was still actively shooting. So I ran with her to get into the science building,